Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Phil and I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup, and for today's video we're going to dive back into this palette. Yes, if you haven't seen my last video at what was attempted to be a tutorial,
girl, you missed a good one.
So for today's video I'm going to redo this attempt on trying out this palette right here. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. This is one of the 4 palettes that was in the Vault collection. Basically, it was the leftover eyeshadows from the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration, and these are all the extra shadows that were placed into the Vault. Now, just from my experience, I would say that it was probably a good idea to leave them in the Vault. There was probably a reason why they were not brought in to the original palette. In my last video, if you saw, I kind of played more with these colors right here. That did not work out for me at all. So for this video, I'm going to stick with these colors right here. I'm going to go in and try to create a halo smoky eye. So for this video, I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to do my eyes first, just in case. If, that's a big if, if there's any fallout, I can just wipe it off. And then I'm going to do the rest of my face on camera. So yeah. Without further ado, let's go. For our eye primer today, I'm going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics with the PROLONG Paint Pod in the shade Painterly, and use that as an eye primer. Okay, so we're going to put this all over the lid. It feels weird starting off my eyes before anything else. But I did not realize how pigmented this looks. Normally when I use this product, I already have everything else underneath, so it kind of already blends in with everything else. Let's slip the excess underneath. Alright, we're going to go in with this palette right here, the Morphe 35D Colorburst, and go in with the shade Pale to set the eye primer. Okay, now that we're all set and primed, now I'm going to go in with the shade Hush Hush. I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Okay, now that we have the transition shade in, next let's just go right into it. Let's go right into Sparks. We're going to take a packer brush and just put that all over the lid. Alright, so here goes nothing. So this shade, I would say, is going on very pigmented. It's a little bit chalky in the pan, but it's kind of as expected. That's why we're doing our makeup in this order. So I like to make the eyes look a little bit bigger than what they are, so I'm going to take that circle and make it a little bit more bigger on this outer edge. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend out that outer edge. So I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette. I'm going to take the shade Pale, tap just a little bit in, and then blend out the outer edge. Damn, why don't I need like a darkening shade? Because this is pretty dark. I'm going to take that same shade that I used with the transition shade, just dab a little bit of Sparks on there with the red shade. Just add, and then just intensify the color. Okay, this is pretty and coming out pretty good. I cannot wait for winter. I fucking hate summer so much. I would say a pro is the long days, but you can't even enjoy them. It's so fucking hot. So now we're going to go in with Mystic to darken up the outer V. They'll add some cool dimension to it. We're gonna smoke. Okay, now we're gonna smoke out underneath. We're gonna go in with, let's go with Spark. No. Alright, I'm gonna take a little uber super tiny detailed blending brush and just blend out. The pro of not having foundation while you're doing your eyeshadow. If you don't like something, you just wipe it off. So far, what I will say is that the blending is a little difficult. I don't see it really blending out as where I would like it to be. Okay, so now just to keep it simple, I'm just going to go straight in with the metallic shades. Alright, so we're going to go in with Bling. Nothing I can pick it off brush. So here I am, pressing it in. I'm pressing it in there. You can see I'm pressing in there because there's fallout coming out. Oh, girl. Let's just, no, I don't believe that. That's wrong. No, I don't believe that. Oh, girl. Come on. Is it the brush then, maybe? Maybe it's the brush. So I got this brush, and I got one of these shades to work with this. Let's go with this. That's applying a lot better. There we go, now it's coated. So maybe it's just that brush that doesn't work correct. Oh yeah, there we go. There she is. There's the high beams. Alright, I'm gonna wet the brush. It doesn't need this extra step, but I just want to see what it'll look like with it. Oh, yes. Hello. Even though it's performing a lot better with this brush, I still don't think it's that great. Ooh, maybe I should do it with fingers like I did in the other video. Let's do it. Oh. It's applying a little bit better. Alright, so I'm gonna take the shade Spark and just fix the edges. Really defining where the halo is at. Alright, so now I'm just taking Mystic and just dragging it on top a little bit to kind of close off the halo. I'm going with the blending brush to blend out the harsh edge that I just recreated, or just created. See, even though I'm blending it out, it still has that harsh edge in there. Calling the cavalry, whatever that means. Okay, so I'm mixing a little bit of glitz and glam in on the halo eye section. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Alrighty, now I am pretty much done with the eyeshadow. Now, I'm going to do my whole entire face, but I'm going to do something new. I'm not going to talk on it, I'm just going to do like a fast video of me doing my face. So, I'll be right back. Alright, so in the time lapse I totally forgot to put on lashes and eyeliner, but that's okay because they're on right now. Alright, and this is the finished look. The look to yesterday's is like 100 times better, but like the process of it, I would say probably is like 75% better. The eyeshadows were still a little bit difficult to blend out with. So over this video and the last video that I did, I still would not recommend this palette. It just doesn't work as great as other Morphe products, as other eyeshadow palettes that I work with. The combination that I used today worked out a lot better, but it still wasn't like top notch. It still wasn't like as great as other eyeshadows that I've done with. This product did not work for me. If it worked for you, awesome. I'm glad something that you invested your hard-earned money in is working for you, but this did not work for me. Alrighty, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then hit that like button down below. And if you enjoyed me, then subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that bell notification to know exactly when I upload. If you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media is linked down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day.